Hello guys, welcome to OPSRACE training program. We were discussing Git and we were looking at resetting the changes, getting rid of the things. In this episode, we'll look at how can we squash the commits or join the commits together to turn them into one commit. Okay, so now if we look at here, our local pointer is pointing to this commits. But now I want to merge all these three commits. So we have to move our pointer here. So this would be a complete commit, which we want to build. So this would be our base commit. And after that, we'll create a new commit, which will contain all of these three. So we need to move our pointer to here. And for that, we will use git reset. Instead of hard, I will use soft because I don't want to lose the local changes. I want those changes to be there. Hence, I will use the soft flag. So when my pointer is moved here, all the changes happen in these three file will be there. So let's say git reset soft 3. Now I'm hoping my pointer will be moved from this location to revert mistakenly. Git log. Okay, yeah, we are at the right point. And now all the changes that happened in these three commits, they are staged or they are there because we want to merge them. So if we look at git status, so yeah, we can see here we added Jan in this commit file, we added credential in this commit, and then finally we added fab.txt in this commit. So the changes from all these three commits are there, uncommitted changes. Now we will create a new merge. So git commit with the message all three changes. Okay, now if I look at git log, so it says that your remote, this represent remote, your remote is on fab, whereas your local, we created a build on top of this one. This was the -3 commit position. So based on that, we have merged all the changes of these into a new commit, but this change is local. So if we push this to the remote repository with lease command force with lease, which will simply override the remote structure if there is no change in between, there is no change or somebody has not committed anything. Let's do this. And okay, so it has pushed all the changes. If we do the git log, we can see that our remote pointer has also moved to this location. So that's one way of doing the git squash. So let's see you in the next lecture where we will discuss another technique for this. Thank you. Bye.
Please subscribe to our channel.